Look, Trump don't even know it yet, but he's completely fucked the markets. The guy announced tariffs on all of the US's major trading partners, and I'm just gonna do a quick technical analysis to show you guys what we're heading into next week. It's not looking good at all. There's still a chance we break higher, but I highly doubt it because it seems that we're gonna set up as a what do you call it, a market structure shift to close the day today. It's currently 7 p.m. London time. Market closes at roughly 10 o'clock, so only 2 hours worth of trading yet. So there's still a lot that needs to happen to prevent this from confirming this red candle. But at the moment, it looks like on the hourly chart, this is the setup that majority of people are trying to get positioned for. Um, so if we hop onto the daily chart, this is the US 30 chart. And what I can see at the moment is price, obviously, we swept liquidity down here and we bought the market up. And then obviously we had quite a few fair value gaps get filled. We had this one fill. We had a gap presented here. This was a previous gap. And then we had a rebound off the gap a few days ago. And then now I thought we was going to target these highs up here. There's a chance we're building up liquidity at this level, but it seems like we've taken previous day's structure, previous day's liquidity at this high here. And the reason why this isn't very good is because if we've taken liquidity here, then we don't necessarily have to take liquidity at the all-time highs. And the main reason this is an issue is because if we get a market structure shift here and then we confirm the close back into the range, what this means is that we can now start targeting all the liquidity that's set up below. So what this looks like is a movement from here, bounce off this fair value gap, break below this range, somehow present another pullback and target these lows. And then this is where we start seeing some consolidation, potentially another pullback, but then following this pullback, there's a chance we get a massive decline from here. And that's what I'm looking to see. I'm not really sure what's going to happen at the moment, but tariffs are extremely bearish for the market. Investors have been preparing and waiting for tariffs for quite some time. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, it's not looking good at all. A market structure shift here, within this fair value gap as well, that presented this daily chart fair value gap, a market structure shift here and a close below this fair value gap will confirm that we're still trading within a range. So we can expect price to now chase the lows of this range. What we've seen is price trade from a discount level to a premium. We've seen that here as well. We've seen a discount level to a premium. We've seen price come here, trade back down into a discount. Then we've seen a rally up from here all the way up to premium. And now we could be trying to target the discount again. The only issue with this now is that if we break below this level, the low of this range, then we could actually be confirming a double top setup. And why this is bad is that we have a whole bunch of liquidity resting at this level. And I'll show you this on the weekly chart because this level has been presented over the last couple of months, and I've been looking for this level for quite some time. Bear with me 1 second. So if we hop onto the weekly chart, what we can see is price failed here at this level to take these lows. The low of this candle, which we can see from here, the low of this candle was 37244. And the liquidity we was trying to take was at the level 37130. So we didn't take liquidity here. And for this reason, price could potentially target this level when pulling back, or when the double top confirms, price could actually target this level. So it would not be good to get a market structure shift here, because then we'd have an overall bearish market setup on the daily chart. And then we'd also have confirming price action on the on the weekly chart holding this fair value gap, which on the weekly chart looks like this. And then if that now confirms and this closes bearish next week, then this red candle would indicate that we can now print red candles all the way down. And then we'd be looking at multi-week red candles, multi-week down days. And if that happens for 4 weeks, then we'd have the monthly chart also present a red candle. And it's just not going to be good at all for these markets, because then we'd possibly even have multi-month red candles, a multi-month bearish action. I don't know why Trump decided to do this tariff stuff, man. We all knew it was coming. He's been inaugurated. He's been president for the past 11 days. He was inaugurated on the 20th of January. But fuck me, man. Now he's really fucked it, and the markets aren't reacting too happy to this. As you can see, the red is continuing, and I'm already positioned in this, so I don't really know how I'm going to play this out, but I'm just going to let it run for now. At the close of today, I'm going to move my stops to break even and take my risk off the table. But, boy, Trump's really fucked everything up for everyone. Anyway, this is a quick video. I wasn't planning to do this video. I already dropped on today, but the news of the tariffs is really important, so I thought it was necessary that I let you guys know what I'm thinking. Going into this, there's going to be a lot of uncertainty and increased volatility over the next couple of days. Definitely over the Monday, on next week Monday, there's going to be a lot of volatility. So just be careful in these markets. But yes, TN, take note.